Okay. There it is. So that dial is all original. It's original loom and everything. Boy, it sure looks nice, doesn't it? You have, here's your original dial, and you'll get that back. I'm going to package it up all nice and safely. If you're looking at this, I would recommend not touching the surface of the dial, of course, but especially not in this area. It's like a sheet on a bed. The paint is loose in a bunch of places, and if you hit it just wrong, it could crack and flake off. So, battery electrolyte did a number on it. But now, the great thing is that really, unless you knew what to look for, you'd have a hard time telling that this watch ever had a battery leak. The circuit block, which was damaged by the electrolyte, has been replaced. Your dial, which was the most telltale thing, and it's gone. I cleaned off your circuit. You wouldn't be able to find anything there. It's like we turned back time. It is interesting, by the way. I'm looking at this, and you see how the sweep hand, it hits all of its markers right where it should. Well, it does that all the way around, which of course it should. It should be hitting a very steady amount. With this style, it was driving me nuts. The hand, when it was over here, was not synced up, and when it was here, I could get it from basically, because I always set to 12, and it would hold kind of through here, but it's almost like the dial surface actually shrunk or something over here. Bizarre. Not quite sure what was up with that, but what it means is that your watch is hitting the markers, which is what it ought to do. Okay, there you go. Thank you so much.